When once there's insecurity, you cannot do anything. Can you do anything? You must have peace for investors to come in, for people to set up industries. Today we are suffering. We are in opposition. Who are those who plotted us? Who are those who masterminded for us to lose the 2015 election? Today we are crying that we are in opposition. Today we are fighting now how to take back power. Who are those people who took the power that PDP had and gave to APC? Who are they? It is you, you know. You know them. You know them. No anger. Whether I win the ticket or not, I will never leave PDP. I will support PDP. I will make sure PDP wins election. Not those, when anything happens, they run away from the party. I will not leave this party. Because everything I am today, it is PDP that's given to me. So I owe PDP a lot. Nigeria has never been divided the way this country is divided today. Our founding fathers never made mistake that there should be a country called Nigeria. God never made a mistake that there should be a country called Nigeria. Everywhere, Wike has taken over. Everywhere, Wike has taken over. So go to the north, is Wike. Go to the east, is Wike. Go to the west, is Wike. Go to the south, is Wike. Go to the east, is Wike. Ogun State. So what are we holding now? Everywhere is Wike.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.